The sea's so quiet. It was so good to sleep. Herbs and unguents. The one she gave to Hьюgo worked well. I hope he's feeling better. Such a nice bed. Our captain has good taste. That smell. Incense. That's amazing. The Mediterranean Sea. Lacuna should be somewhere here. This one? Or this one? Necklaces, rings. Quite the elegant lady. Animals. Maybe from Africa? Looks like Hьюgo played with them. Hope he didn't break anything. So, it survived the fire?
Yes, it would take more than that. It survived Spain, Burgundy, Guyenne. Well, barely that time.
That's where it broke?
Yes. The only time it failed to protect.
You?
No. Someone I shared my coat of arms with.
Oh. I see. It's a sad memory to keep then.
Some memories don't want to be let go of, child.
I think I know what you mean.
Hey, you two! The sail's pulling port side. I need a hand.
Go pull the rope on the other side. I'll give you some slack on mine.
Understood.
Wow, she certainly has some real treasure down here.
Got it!
I just love this.
It's good on my side. Honor?
Me too.
Well done.
Hey. It must be great to pilot this thing.
It's worth all the other troubles. Come on, take it.
Oh,
Go on. You won't crash into anything. So?
it's amazing.
It's the sea you feel. It's freedom.
Thank you for taking us.
Thank God, no. I'm usually not so kind.
Oh,
He's a bastard, I know. He has reasons to be. Deep scars. Not that it excuses...
Amicia! Amicia!
oh, duty calls. I'm sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Amicia, come!
Амиция, по-моему, как? Давай, будет по-английски, говорим.
There's something there!
Том? Или, пошли.
it! Lacuna! It's exactly like in my dreams. Thank you.
Whatever's there, we'll find it together. Island explorers.
Yes. You know, it's not important if I die.
What? What are you talking about?
The Magister Vaudan told me I'm going to die.
God, no, Hugo, I'm so sorry. It won't happen.
Don't be sad. I'm happy to be here. This boat is the best, and I like Sophia. And Anna, even if you don't like him.
Sorry. Just wanted to say, we'll be preparing to make land soon. I'll need your help. Just come see me when you're ready.
Yes, sure. I'm happy to be here with you.
Woohoo! Prepare to board!
Hi. All right, people, come.
My turn!
I'll stay. I'll fix a few things here and I'll join you later.
Fine. We'll take a tour while it's still light and find a place to sleep.
Sounds good. By the way, this land is under the Count's law. Be nice. See?
I see.
Welcome to Lacuna. This is for you, my child. We're so honored by your presence.
Thank you.
Looks like we have a new king.
Good King Hugo.
That's right. During the brighter days, all children are kings. Just like the Child of Embers who watches over our island. Your presence is a blessing because you are the future, just like him. For he'll deliver all of us from the darkness. Please, enjoy the festivities.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Wow. That's a pretty good start, no?
I wonder what the church would think of this. They seem successful.
Pray that we're successful. Well, come on, Your Majesty.
We're in my dream, Amicia. It's the most beautiful place I've seen.
It's very beautiful, yes. But now we need to find whatever called you here.
Welcome! The market is just up the street. Plenty for you to see.
Let's go, quick!
Yes.
Hey, wait. So I heard of this dream and, well, I'd like to help. But first I must know what you're searching for.
All right. So it's a bit strange, but, well, go on, Hugo.
Yes, in my dream, I woke up on a beach, and I was sick and scared, but a big bird came and I followed him. I thought I was dying, but the bird showed me water that healed me. And there was a huge tree too, and that's where I wake up each time.
Good. So, bird, tree, and water. Could be anywhere. but I guess it's a start.
We can ask at the market. Come on.
Oh, it's amazing!
So many colors. And perfumes.
Amicia, can we ask people about my dream?
You shouldn't tell them that it's a dream. And don't ask too many people. You never know.
Yes. I'll ask. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Straight from
What can
our
I do for
mother's
you?
garden.
Need any spices?
Maybe later. We've been told of a pond of water with healing properties. Do you know where it is?
Not a clue. But there are many ways to be blessed during the brighter days.
Ah, good to know.
Is there a big bird on this island?
There's a few here and there. Maybe you'll see them.
Well, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
No pond. Maybe birds.
Yes!
Come see my flowers! Perfect for the festivities! Roast pork's ready! Who wants some?
All right. Let's try and ask someone here.
Good work with the decorations, everyone. Oh, and if you still want to help, we need a hand with tonight's feast.
I'll go and help. I'm in!
Me too.
The dancers and musicians are now in place. The festivities are about to begin. Come!
Can't wait to see that. Let's go.
Oh, Amicia, can we go too?
Sure, sounds nice. Should we be worried about the Count's army here? They look pretty quiet.
Different captain, different men, different land. Don't think so.
Good.
I hope there will be a dragon man.
I'd like to see a dragon man too.
All this wasn't in my dream, but I love this place.
It's all so dreamlike. Yes.
Islands can be nice little havens, but they're fragile ones.
Oh, don't get
Chance!
gloomy. They're here. They must be about to start.
Please, stick to the rhythm, all right, Lucy? No improvisation.
I sing for the Child of Embers, and he needs energy.
But not that much.
All right, focus, please. We're going soon.
Hurry up!
Last year was so great. You think they'll do better?
I know they've been rehearsing for months.
I hope they'll cross the main square once again.
Who's this Child of Embers anyway?
A local deity, obviously. It's St. John's Week on the continent, the summer solstice. So it's probably all about fertility and prosperity.
Is he magical?
He's a god. Pagan one.
Peaceful one.
Yes. Oh, dancers! Amicia dances!
I see that. You know how to dance this, Arno?
Do I look like it?
Well, you never know.
I'd like to see you dance.
You're 30 years too late, lad.
I'll imagine it then.
The walk of devotion has begun. The procession is coming.
Amicia, quick!
Blessed be the Child of Embers. Blessed be the Mother.
They're here! Hello!
Hello.
We're just in time.
Wow!
Say, would you like to bless them with flowers?
I just threw some at them.
That's it?
Like this? Blessed be the child! Wait, I'll bless the dancers too!
Hugo?
Blessed be everyone!
Oh, Lord.
It's done! Thank you!
Sorry about that.
Oh, don't be. He was true to his heart. Now they're blessed for many, many years.
You're a savage, Shorty.
Let's follow the parade!
Sure.
They're up there!
Let's go wreak
Quick,
havoc
quick.
somewhere else.
I
Calm
like
down. We'll
blessing
catch
people.
up with them. I really wonder why.
Blessed is
Blessed is the Mother.
The mother is about
Blessed
to
is
speak!
the mother.
A crowd.
What's going on?
Where is she? She should have been here already.
Sorry, sire.
All right? Yes. You all know me. I'm not a man of words. Emily, your priestess, she will be here soon. She will open these brighter days with her beautiful words. The words of a mother. The mother of the child of embers. The child who protects his sacred lands.
It's him.
From the rats of disease and war.
The rats?
No, wait!
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, it's because it's the Count, Amicia.
We had a deal. Call your rats.
Wait, what? That was your deal? You saved me so he would murder the Count for you?
You survived. That comes with a price.
No! You don't take advantage of a child and call it a deal, Anna! We came all this way for him! You won't ruin that!
Fuck it. I don't need you.
No! Anna!
I knew it. I won't miss this time!
I'll take care of him. Catch the girl!
No! No! This is not our fight! Run!
Get them! The girl in the
Run, Hьюго!
But Arno!
To hell with him! God damn it!
Stop!
Quick! Oh, no!
Hey, you!
Through here! Should have seen it coming. This is why you can't trust people, Hьúgo.
Nothing ever stays nice. It always turns bad. Always. Why?
We're going back.
It's too late.
No. Things aren't always nice, but you can change them.
How?
The way we always do. We fight. We stop Arno before he does more damage. We save your dream. We need a way back. A discreet one if possible.
What if Arno is dead? Or he killed the Count?
We'll improvise, remember?
Are we good at this?
We bloody are. We're in a stable. There has to be something. Take care of it, Hьúgo.
Yes.
Hьúgo?
Here.
Let's get that cart in place. Come on. Up and over. By the way, why did Arno attack the Count?
He said that it's because of the Count that his shield is broken.
Come on. Up. Climb up. Good. Now, careful. What do we have here?
Keep watch for the others.
Let's try to follow them.
Found you!
No, no! Hurry! Get down!
The others are busy. The 9 birds were 3 of them.
A falcon. It's trained to kill. Stop it. It's too fast. Get me before I aim. We need to
whoever you are. Attack!
That bird is scary.
Don't stupid. Just stay with me, it'll be fine. Let's go now to cover.
Finally! Come on, go! Get them!
That bird is scary.
Go now!
Stupid. Just stay with me, it'll be fine.
Kill!
Let's go now to cover.
Finally, attack!
So fast. What mistake can we done?
Fly!
Go, go, go.
Oh, you want to play? Bring me back their eyes!
Together.
It can't be the bird from my dream. It can't.
It's not. We'll find your bird.
Point. Get them! Wait! Kill them!
It's taking too long.
Come
Oh no,
on!
if you've done anything to the count.
Badger! Go now!
Come on.
Разложу.
It can't be the bird from my dream.
Bring me back their eyes!
Up and over.
It can't be the bird from my dream. It can't.
It's
Make a
not.
mistake
We'll
at
find
some
your
point.
bird. Count on that.
There! Get them!
Together.
It can't be the bird from my dream. It can't.
It's not. We'll find your bird.
Kill them! Come on, go! Go now! Come on! Get them, you useless badger! Kill!
It's taking too long. Oh no, if you've done anything to the count.
Attack!
Come on.
I know you're there!
Yes, we're here.
Let's get out. Quick.
Oh, that was close. But we did it.
That bird was awful.
Now where's that down? Oh no.
Listen. Sword noises.
Yes, yes, quick. They're here. The Count's alive.
Can you stop him?
Shut up! I'll kill you like I killed your
What do we do?
No! No! You fucking traitor!
You did this to yourself!
So this is his army? A girl and a boy?
No, wait!
Victor, stop!
Emily.
Don't get carried away. She helped. They're not a threat.
Of course, my love.
I'll kill you, bitch, Count! I'll teach you what it is to lose what you care for!
You've always been a disgrace to the knighthood, Arnaud. that you've been a pain in my ass for too
Are you
long.
all right?
Lock him up. I'll handle that later. So where do you know this beast from?
We shared a boat and had time to chat on the way, but I didn't know he was after you, sire.
Now, if you're not bandits, who are you?
Amicia, and this is Hьюго, my brother. He's a bit afraid.
Well, don't be. There was more fright than danger. These days are dedicated to life and peace. Would you agree to be our guests for dinner?
Are you sure? I mean...
Sure. Emily's right. You helped, you deserve it.
Come with us.
Амиция Герун.
Hьюgo, come.
So, how do you like our terrace?
This is really your house.
This
This is home.
It's incredible.
Come inside.
It's big.
It is. And it's only a small part of the palace. Oh, do you fancy some dates before we show you to your room?
Dates? What is it?
A fruit, Hьюgo.
Can I?
Come on.
Sure, Your Grace. Please go easy, Hьúgo.
Yes.
I know this all looks pretty formal, but please, here I'm not your grace. I am the mother. I am myself, so be yourself.
Yes. During the brighter days, all the people of Lacuna are one, united around the Child of Embers.
I love it.
Haha. A bon vivant.
Be careful, they're very rich.
So where are you from?
Guyenne. We fled the war and the plague. We came here hoping for a better life. And we heard of this island.
You were right to come here. Let's keep going. You must be tired after this adventure.
It's amazing.
I know. Can't wait to see our room.
Agnes, go get a room ready for two, please.
Certainly, Mother.
She's her mummy.
No, it's symbolic.
And these are our gardens. My favorite part.
Splendid.
Finally, they cleaned the basins.
Yes, aren't they nice?
You're quite young for such a long trip. Where are your parents?
Mummy is somewhere, but Dad was killed.
By who? How?
Hьúgo.
Victor, don't be so military.
You know me.
Come next to me, Hьúgo.
Yes.
You see those plants? Most of them are not from here, but we managed to make them grow anyway.
And they look great.
Thanks to a lot of love and care. We are just like them, you know?
We drink water.
And we need a good soil, love and care. This land is open to you if you wish to keep growing here. But of course the big sister will decide. Right, Amicia?
Thank you so much. Those were kind and true words.
Let me show you something else. Victor?
Of course, my
Come,
love.
Hьúgo.
The land here is strong. The Child of Embers breathes life into it. We created the brighter days to celebrate him, in the hope he'll come back to us, as it is foretold.
To us, his mother and father.
And to the people. We pray to him, not as a god, but as our long-sleeping child. We love and revere him, to revive his flame.
Amicia, on the stone. It's the bird.
Wait, would you pray with me? You can do it in your own way.
Sure. Hьúgo?
I'll pray to the bird.
A humble flame, to light his night. And may he rise, a sun, so bright.
So bright.
So bright.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Shall we go?
Sorry, Mother. Could we take some time to pray for our father? Hьúgo?
Yes.
Of course. I understand. I'll wait for you. Come when it is done.
Dear Father.
Hьúgo, is it really your bird? Take a good look at it.
Oh, yes. I feel it. It has the same beak. And I just know it.
Good. Very good. Let's go back to them. And no word about that to anybody here, right? It's our secret.
I know.
Is everything ready for tomorrow?
Yes? The new robes look wonderful. It will be perfect.
Excuse me.
Oh. Shall we go?
Sure.
I must say, we appreciate that you paid homage to the child so willingly.
Every child bears the future of the world. One child can change everything.
That is very true.
It is very true.
This is too much.
Nonsense. You're our guests. There's a good dinner being cooked.
A real dinner, Amicia.
Shh. Oh, we'll need to get you some new clothes. It looks like you had a long journey.
Are you going to kill Arno?
Hьюgo.
He will be judged. All those who do bad things are, and he did a lot. But you will have the chance to testify if you wish to do so.
But enough of that. We'll leave you to rest. Tomorrow, feel free to enjoy La Cuna. Brighter days are the best time for it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My lady?
My lady.
Beds are great. Try jumping on them.
Yes!
Да, попрыгните в обуви. Так, стой.